as promised today, we dive into some of the machines we discussed in my previous top 10 machines for home business video. If you haven't watched it yet, make sure to check the link in the description below. Today, we're focusing on one of the popular machines for home businesses, the 3D printer. Stay till the end, because we'll walk through a real project example that you can start for your home business. Maybe this year you turn a creative passion into a profitable venture. Let's see how you can start this journey with minimal risks and maximum potential. A 3D printer is a machine that turns digital designs into physical objects by layering material. But not all 3D printers are created equal. Here's a quick overview of the main types. FDM, Fused Deposition Modeling, affordable and great for beginners, works well with basic plastics like PLA and ABS. SLA, Stereolithography, ideal for intricate designs, uses resin for high precision. SLS, Selective Laser Sintering, uses powder-based materials, best for durable and complex parts, but comes with a higher price tag. For home businesses, FDM printers are the most practical. The choice of material depends on the project. You can consider these options. PLA, eco-friendly, easy to print, and great for non-load-bearing parts like knobs or light covers. ABS, more durable and heat-resistant, ideal for functional parts like car clips. PETG, a balance of strength and flexibility, excellent for outdoor use. However, an important note, always respect copyright laws when choosing designs. Avoid directly selling items based on copyrighted files unless you have the creator's permission or license. Various platforms also offer open source designs, but double-check their licensing terms. Now, let's look at a simple project, a replacement handle for a coffee machine. These often break and are in demand on platforms like eBay. Here's how you can create one. Step 1. Find the design, download an open source file, or create your own using CAD software like Tinkercad or Fusion 360. Step 2. Print the part, use ABS for durability, with settings optimized for strength. The handle should cost about $1 to $2 in material. Step 3. Post-process, sand and smooth the piece, then test for fit and functionality. Step 4. Package and market, offer the part on e-commerce platforms for $10 to $20. With a profit margin of 80% or more, this project is both scalable and sustainable. Step 5. Promote the product online and don't forget to evaluate the results. Being an e-commerce veteran, I am often explaining digital marketing tips on my channel, so make sure to subscribe and turn on new videos notifications. Here's the math. Produce 50 parts a month at $2 each and sell them for $15. That's $650 in gross profit from one project. As promised, pro setup tips. To maximize profits, efficient printing is crucial. Here's how to optimize your settings. Infill density. Lower infill, e.g., 20 to 30%, reduces material use without sacrificing strength. Layer height. Use a higher layer height for faster printing on less detailed parts. Supports. Minimize supports in your design to save material and clean up time. These small adjustments can save you up to 30% on material costs while maintaining quality. Whether you're fixing appliances or creating niche accessories, the possibilities with 3D printing are endless. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. See you next time.